Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I'm out today on the Arizona BDR. Now I'm not doing the BDR, but I'm out riding on the BDR. Just looking for some offshoot trails, because the thing about it is if you go ride the BDR and you just stay on the BDR, well, you miss a lot of the good stuff. The BDR is okay, but it's not the best riding. There's a lot of offshoot trails that go off of it that's some really good riding, so I encourage you to get out and look for those, because those are pretty cool. So we're just going down a part of the BDR right now. It's the Section 1 BDR in southern Arizona is what it is. Back road discovery route. I actually done the BDR, and at the end of this I will put a couple links to show you. You can check out the BDR where I did it, the Section 1 on this Honda CRF 300L that I'm on right now. So you kind of go through a lot of different areas. You go over a mountain, you go over Montezuma Pass on the BDR, and you go out across this plains that we're on right now, which is it's actually pretty out here, because you can see the plains lands here, and then you can see the mountains in the background out there, which is really cool. There's mountains all the way around, mountains in Mexico over this way, and then we got all these other ones are Arizona mountains, of course. But this part here is extremely easy. It's basically just a dirt road, gravel road. Nothing difficult here at all. And then we'll come out here, we go along the border wall, border fence for a little ways. And then we get back out and across here, but we don't ride. There's a whole lot more of the border fence or border wall here in Arizona that you can actually take your motorcycle and go ride it. So that's something to do too, and it's pretty cool. It's actually a fun ride, riding along the border wall. As far as seeing illegals or any of that, I've never seen nothing. I've been out here working on 1.5 to 2 years, been out here several times now, and I've never seen anybody except for the Border Patrol. It's a pretty nice day. The temperature's supposed to be about 62 today. It's not as warm as I'd like it. I like it in the 70s, 80s. 90s fine with me. Don't care for the cold, but it's still not too bad. It was cold this morning. It was about 24 degrees when I got up this morning, so. And you ride out across the plains like this, and then you get into like we're fixing to come up to and go down in some canyons, which is pretty cool. Really nice down in some of these canyons too, and there's a lot of different offshoot trails even down in here in places. You just gotta take a chance and take them, and that's how you find a lot of the good stuff to ride on. There is a roadrunner down there. He was running the road. Till he seen me coming anyway. Pretty down here. If you come down here at certain times in the monsoon, there can be a lot of like these washes right here can be flooded, so pretty dangerous too, I guess. I've not been in this when it's been flooded, I have seen water at times. Big old sycamore trees. Huge sycamore trees, some right here. Up the hill. There's a lot of washboard on this road, especially on the hills where people have been going up and spinning, causing the washboard effect. Primitive road, caution, use at your own risk. This surface is not regularly maintained. So, let's go see what this is. It's kind of the area I was wanting to get to. Holy cow. I think it floods a little bit through here in the monsoon, looks like. There's a gate. I think it's a lock gate. It is a locked gate. A lot of gates you can go through, but not all of them. Not when they're locked. We'll go try somewhere else. See a Joshua tree out there. That crow right there, he was on it. He took off. Some of these people out here must own thousands of acres. If you had a house out here, you'd have a pretty view, that's for sure. Especially when this, after monsoon, and this all turns green. Really beautiful. So this is an area I've not explored. I came through it when I done the BDR section 1, but I've never been out here exploring the area. Let's see what this sign says. Private property access granted, but can only be revoked, but can be revoked at any time. Pretty cool. Let's go check this road out. That's a nice little road out across here anyway. And definitely one I haven't been on. Be nice to come out here when it's all green and see what it looks like. I can tell you one thing, if it ever catches on fire, and I'm sure it has before, but this would be a heck of a fire. For sure. I'm not sure. I guess it's going to go by this place. Okay. Thought maybe it almost looked like a driveway, but we'll go past it. Well, guys, I hope you get out and find adventure. There's a lot to be had, even if it's winter. Of course, ain't too much winter here, but it has been getting cold. It, like I said earlier, I think it got down to 24. I believe it was this morning. It's been cold, but nights have been, of course, up in the 60s, 70s some days. This is really nice. Nice property to go explore. It's going to be a lot out here because it shows on the map there's just roads all over the place, but I won't have enough time to do all of it today, that's for sure. Private property. Can you imagine owning this much land? That would be awesome. We're getting out in some trees now. Ooh. See, there's a trail that way. It's not on the map. 4742. Let's just go look real quick. We're going to come off of 4741, 4740. Now the gate. Please close the gate. So there's all different kinds of places to explore. That goes toward the mountain, but I don't know how far. It don't show it on the map here. Oh, this is not on the map actually, but we'll go check it out. We're going to end this video here. Thank you all for watching Woodsman Adventures. Click the thumbs up, subscribe down below. Don't forget. God bless you all. Thanks for watching. Ride on.